Hello, my name is Daisuke Yanagimoto, charging of overseas sales in Echotech. This time, we would like to introduce you about our ultrasonic cutter, the O series, of usage in fire cause investigation. In Japan, when the fire accident has caused in some building, the investigation team, fire office, will start figuring out what was the cause of fire. In the analysis from various points, they gather the burnt materials from that place and get information by seeing those burnt conditions. And sometimes they need to cut those materials, but because those are burned, it's so fragile, if they use a normal tool, it might be broke so easily. To solve that trouble, some of fire offices in Japan are using this ultrasonic cutter, the O series. The major cause of fire accident is cigarettes which have been thrown away carelessly. In the second position, there are electronics devices such as heating equipment and cooking apparatus. Considering of those equipment features, the keys have been used, and that's why it easily become a fire cause. And in those equipment, there are so many hard materials have been used, such as ABS, polycarbonate, and polypropylene. These rays are plastic, and of course, there are so many other materials have been used in equipment. And do you think that normal tools can make processing or disassemble these materials? I don't think so, but ultrasonic cutter can do it. This is 2mm thickness acrylic, and I'll try cut this with this ultrasonic cutter, the 95 model. Wow, we cut acrylic like butter. Fast and smooth. And even if you don't apply any power on this handpiece, I just rub this blade on the acrylic. Because the blade is now vibrating 40,000 times per second, it automatically melts plastic and cut like sink into the acrylic ocean, like this. From June 15th to 18th, the Tokyo International Fire and Safety Exhibition 2023 will be held at Tokyo Big Site. You will see many of products that relate to fire prevention, and you could try our ultrasonic cutter, the O series, in our booth. We look forward to see you in Big Site.